Hi friends, welcome to CAD channel. Today we discuss the different models of BOT. We all heard about BOT, BOT. What is BOT? BOT is build, operate and transfer. So today we discuss four models of BOT and they are like this. Triple P BOT annuity model, Triple P BOT hybrid annuity model, Triple P BOT toll model, Triple P BOT dot model. So before going this, I will say the type of construction that is going on in India or Kerala is that if a builder wants to build a multi-story flat in a particular location, which is owned by somebody else, I mean the landowner will be somebody else. So he will approach him and say that I want to build, and the landowner, if agrees to that, he will give the land to the build owner and let him build the whole thing there and let it finish, and then the one or three flats in that building will be owned by the landowner. So that is the arrangement between landowner and the builder, which is happening nowadays. So almost the same thing happening between government and also the big private companies like uh, NHAI, National Highway Authority of India, is doing most of the national highway or all the national highway work throughout India, and they are giving this work to big companies who can take over this project and complete the project. So for example, if it is in Kerala, if the NHAI wants to build a 100-kilometer road, and if it wants to build it within a stipulated time interval of 2 years, and it has been given to say Adani Ports. So if we are going for the first model, that is Triple P BOT annuity model. I will say how they are doing that. So first, what is called Triple P? It is called public-private partnership, build, operate, transfer, annuity model. That is the full form of this thing. So with this thing, Adani Port will take this project from NHAI. They will build the particular national highway over a period of 2 years with no money from NHAI. They have to take all the cost, and after that, after completion of the road, and it is handed over to NHAI. After the 2 years, the third year, if it is a project of cost value of 100 crore, this NHAI will give 20 crore to Adani Group on the first year after the completion of the road. Then second year another 20 crore. Like that, it will give the whole project cost within a time interval of 5 years. So this is called, and also other factor is that within this time span of 5 years, all the maintenance cost of this national highway have to be paid by the Adani Group. So this type of payment model is called Triple P BOT annuity model, and the second one is Triple P BOT hybrid model. Hybrid annuity model means it is called HAM, hybrid annuity model. We can write it as HAM model, Triple P BOT HAM model. Okay, so here it is called, it is a bit different from the annuity model that I discussed before. That is, what is the difference is that if the project period is for 2 years to complete this, in the first model the Adani Group will not get any amount, but in the hybrid annuity model, the government or the NHAI will pay around 40% of the total project value within this 2-year period. That is, as the work goes on, the Adani Group will submit bills and they will get part payment. That is up to 40% of the cost till it gets completed within 2 years. After 2 years, then again per year they will get the rest of the 60%. If it is for a 5-year model, then it will get all the costs within that 5 years after the completion of the project. That is called Triple P BOT hybrid annuity model. I think you understand what I said. And the third one is Triple P BOT toll model, which we are all familiar with. Toll model, that is when we are going to national highway, we can see lot of toll payments. When we are going through the highway, we have to pay tolls. So in this thing, the same thing, PPP, build, operate, transfer, toll model. Toll model is means there also the Adani Group will not get a single rupee till they constructed the whole road, but after the completion they can build a toll there or in the road or at the entrance and the exit of the road. till they complete it. Means if it is 100 kilometer span, they can build toll in it, and then they can take toll from the ongoing vehicles. That is also for a stipulated time interval, maybe for 5 years, and within that 5 years, maybe up to three years, they will collect all the project goes along with the profit. But after also they can collect. There will be an extended period for them to collect, so they can collect. Still they can collect, and maybe they recover all the profit as well as the project cost. Then they can earn extended profit also in it. So, but most of the companies will not go for this. Only big companies will go, because they need to pay for the whole project amount before this toll process, so that they need to have some amount with them. Only big companies will go for that, not the small contractors. We cannot go for, they are not eligible to do all these things. So this is called toll model. And after when they are taking toll also, the government is usually taking around 30% tax imposed on it, and the government is taking 30% from the toll that we are also giving to the toll authority there. And sometimes these people increase in their own way some toll. So that's why we can see a lot of confusion and arguments between people and this authority there in some of the toll areas in India. So this is the toll model. Then there is last one is PPP, BOT, TOT model. Is like the toll, Adani got the toll and it is completed within that 5 year. They took all the toll amount and it is completed. After the 5 year, it had to be handed over to fully to the NHAI. So NHAI, what it will do is that TOT model means toll, operate and transfer. That is, once the full road work is completed and the toll amount toll period is also completed, then the government can give the toll only to some other company for a big amount. That is, company have to pay so and so amount to the government for a certain period of time, and for that certain period of time, the company can take tolls for the ongoing vehicles. So that is another thing, TOT, toll, operate, transfer. That means it's a way of making money, more money, by making roads by the government and also some private enterprises. So these are the way by which these BOT models are functioning. And I hope you understand these four types of BOT models. So again I am telling: build, operate, transfer, public private partnership, and annuity model, hybrid HAM model, toll model, TOT, toll, operate, transfer model. So with this, today's video ends. So we will see in another video. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you very much.